I'm Callie Lewis. You're watching Geek Brief TV. This is Brief 237. I don't throw around the phrase killer app lightly. Maybe twice in the history of the brief, Signal from Alloy Soft turns an iPhone or an iPod Touch into a Wi-Fi remote control for iTunes, and it is a killer app. Install it on either a PC or a Mac, and it'll give you an IP address to enter into Safari on either an iPhone, iPod Touch, or even another Mac. When it loads, it looks like the iPhone iPod interface, but it's giving you control over your files in iTunes. You can stop, pause, or play audio or video. You can control the volume, change songs, rate songs, and album art is displayed on the screen in your hand. Best of all, it doesn't require an iPhone hack. The software is installed on your computer and the iPhone accesses it through Safari. Let me show you how it works. I'm listening to a song and I decide to listen to Man vs. Geek podcasts. All I have to do is browse over to it and hit play. I'm logged in with both iPhones and Safari on this Mac. When I make a change from the iPhone, the album art and ID3 information show up everywhere I'm logged in. It's not yet perfect. There are times when it seems to get stuck on a screen and it won't wake the iMac up from sleep, but this is still one of my favorite software applications of all time. If you have an iPod Touch or an iPhone, it's free to try. The demo version blocks access to 1/3 of the items in your media library. It only took us 5 minutes of the demo before we paid for a key. $25 and well worth it. Crunch Gear just reminded me that Boot Camp 1.4 is set to expire when Leopard becomes available this month. It might not be a bad idea to back up important files on the Windows side of things. In anticipation of my GBTV at P&B experiment, we started thinking it would be really cool to build a robot with Skype and video that would be controllable over the internet. I could have it roam around the show floor and talk to people. Then iRobot announced its Connectar. It comes in the same form factor as Roomba, but exchanges vacuuming for two-way audio conversations and VoIP quality video. The problem is that the camera is either shooting from the ground up or the Connectar is limited to a tabletop existence. I'm not sure why they're not mounting the camera on a riser. It seems like that would make Connectar much more feasible. Scientists are studying the health and cognitive benefits of power napping. Some studies have found that a nap is as good as a night of sleep in relation to memory tasks. My problem is that except for when I was taking pain meds, I have a hard time slowing down and letting go of what I'm working on. Well, for the past week, I've been using a napping application called Paziz. It's designed to train you to nap and manage the length and quality of your nap by combining neuro-linguistic programming, relaxing music, and specially timed sound effects. The app installs on a Mac or PC, and you can completely customize volume levels, whether or not you want the voice talking to you, and whether or not you want an alarm to wake you up at the end of the nap. You can also customize the length of your nap, and it exports to an iPod. I like it a lot, but I had to turn the guy's voice all the way down before I could completely relax. Like Signal, it's free to try, and there's a link in the show notes. As we move toward cooler weather, we're in a meetup mood. We've got 3 planned. The first one is tentatively scheduled for October 8th at Jeff Smith's bar in Nashville. Log on to the forum at gbtvtalk.com if you think you can make it. The next one is just a couple days later at the opening of We Own the Night, starring Robert Duvall, Joaquin Phoenix, I said it right this time, and Mark Wahlberg. Take a look.
You better be careful out there the next couple weeks, you hear me?
What's that supposed to mean?
Well, you know.
2 sides.
Sooner or later, either you're gonna be with us or you're gonna be with the dealers.
1 family.
This is the police! All the places, you gotta come to my place.
I'm done with you!
Joaquin Phoenix, Mark Wahlberg, on October 12th.
Get down! Get down!
2 brothers collide.
Baby, you could be killed.
Wait! Wait!
We Own the Night. Rated R.
Oh, sorry. We Own the Night opens in U.S. theaters October 12th. You can find out more about the film at weownthenightmovie.com. I'm excited about supporting the movie because the movie is supporting the brief. We're also meeting at the State Fair of Texas on October 20th to eat various fried foods on various sticks. I'm Callie Lewis. I think I'll be glove-free in a couple of days. Woohoo! Thanks for watching. I was joking. Crunch Gear just reminded me that Boot Camp Beta 1.4 is set to explode. The app installs on a Mac or PC, and you can completely customize volume levers.